Alright, it ain't pretty, but it's in. So that's all that matters. So take two sockets and let's put them in the press and crushing them down together. Got to squeeze in pretty good. Got to put a piece of sheet metal under one because it's lower than the other. And I tighten the bolt all the way down too. Come back and do it again. So now it's custom made. It's now shorter. Bolts are good and tight too. They're not very happy. In fact, the rod tail fell out the hole a little bit. There we go. Customized, look at that. Yo, butcher. Okay, we need to rat tail file the hole out just slightly, and that'll make it fit a lot better. They're both pretty much about equal. Rat tail file work. Both a little bit. What are you looking at over there? Come down here. Alright, that should fit better now. There we go. Fits like a glove. Ah, damn it. It's trying to attack me around here. Yeah. There you go. Get nice and straight and flat now. Should work what I need. No problem at all. Okay, now we got to assemble up our part here. The bolts are still going to be too long, I bet, so I have to deal with that yet. Yep, a little bit too long. So we need to lose about 1/16 of an inch off of it. So I'm going to shorten two bolts up a little bit. Never-ending process. So we'll do one first, and we'll come back and shorten the other one to match. So this one's a little shorter already, so I'm going to shorten it first. And I'll shorten the other one to match. We'll be close. Everything's handmade around here. Wonderful. Looking at over there. I'm looking over here. Yeah, right here, this one. quick. Okay, we're about a 1/16 shorter. Good starting point. Do this one. Alright. Let's go see what it looks like. Second fitment. Might have to do a third fitment. We'll see. Blow the crap off of them. Camera's in my way. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Make sure it's not sticking past the spline. So I need to take about 30-second off. I don't have the lock plate on here, but there'll be some compression on this, so I want to make sure we don't over compress it. Right now it's about equal. So theoretically, if we use what we got, we can go until we bottom out and it'll be compressed. We'll take a little extra more off. Yeah, we'll do that.